Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing a receiver hitch on a 2007 Honda Fit. First, I'm going to secure the vehicle on jack stands so it's safe to work under. You don't necessarily need to put on jack stands, but it does give you a little extra room. Now the skid plate needs to be removed, and in order to do that, you need to remove three 12mm fasteners. This particular receiver hitch wasn't very heavy, so I just held it up with one arm and I started the rear two bolts. Then I installed the front U-bolt and the two fasteners, and I torqued everything down to spec. Well, there you have it. This is one of the easier receiver hitch installs I've done. Even the instructions say it only takes about 15 minutes. Well, that's all for this video. Please subscribe and be sure to check out some of my other videos, and I hope to see you on the next one.